फर्स्ट टिप जो सभी देते हैं, बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस जो मैंने 15 इयर्स में स्टूडेंट्स को बताया एंड व्हाई आई गॉट 8.5, that is just one reason. सिर्फ एक reason है that I was talking, I was just speaking in front of the examiner. मैंने चुप नहीं किया because I wanted that I want to give my best shot, and these are just 15 minutes for me and I have to project myself in the best way. That is why I, even without training, I did not take any training. Without any training, I just spoke, and without any fancy vocabulary, I got the bands, right? Okay. The first thing, I'll be discussing the tips first, जो यहाँ पे लिखे हैं, and then I will explain your problems. Like I have got one problem that I cannot elaborate my topic from Mao, so I will be discussing that later on. Quickly we'll cover up this. Don't memorize the answers. What is everybody saying in my video? You will find that this is the memorized phrase. Don't use this line. Don't use this word because everybody's using it. Yes, it is correct. Because what happens is when we use, जब हम use करते हैं ना वही same words बच्चे, furthermore, moreover, ये तो connectors की बात हो गई. लेकिन every coin has two sides. Then on the other hand हम ये use करते हैं. What happens is these are the memorized answers. Hobbies play a very important role, very crucial role. These kind of sentences, ये आपके फाइनल बैंड स्कोर को इन्फ्लुएंस करेंगे. दीज आर गोइंग टू इन्फ्लुएंस योर फाइनल बैंड स्कोर. व्हाई सो? बिकॉज एवरी अदर स्टूडेंट इज यूजिंग इट. In that case, you will find it less bands. Moving to the next, don't use big and unfamiliar words. Suppose I want to say amazing. Instead of saying amazing, I'll say awestruck, awe-inspiring, and I even don't know the meaning of it. मुझे तो सेंटर वालों ने बताया था, मुझे मेरे ट्रेनर ने बताया था, मुझे मेरे मेंटोर ने बताया था. So I don't know what is that, right? So in that case, आप ये ध्यान रखिए कि आप इतने फैंसी वर्ड्स यूज नहीं करेंगे, प्लस आप इतनी हाई फाई वोकैबुलरी यूज नहीं करोगे. व्हाई सो? बिकॉज द एग्जामिनर विल ट्रैप यू. वो आपको पकड़ लेंगे एंड दे आर गोइंग टू आस्क यू लेटर ऑन कि उसको और ज्यादा घुमाओ. ग्रामर बहुत से बच्चों का प्रॉब्लम है. देर आर 2-3 स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने मेरे को पर्सनल मैसेजेस भी किए हैं एंड देयर ग्रामर इज पैथेटिक. इन दैट केस व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज, आपको ग्रामर कैसे सुधारनी है, क्या करना है उसके लिए. आपको ग्रामर के लिए 25% ग्रामर के बैंड्स हैं. सो उसके लिए व्हाट यू विल डू इज यू विल प्रैक्टिकली उसको फटाफट से सिर्फ 4-5 कनेक्टर्स को आप यूज कर सकते हैं, उससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकते. जो आपके ये चीजें हैं ग्रामर से रिलेटेड वो आप सारी यूज नहीं करोगे. सारे टेंसेस यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सिर्फ प्रेजेंट टेंस करना है, पास्ट हमने करना है अपने क्यू कार्ड के लिए, और फ्यूचर कभी कभी यूज होता है, अदरवाइज वो उसमें जाएगा आपके जनरल क्वेश्चंस प्लस फॉलो अप में जाएगा और कहीं भी नहीं होता. जो मेन टेंसेस है सिर्फ वही करने, उसके अलावा नहीं करने. ठीक है, अभी मूविंग नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज I can see, don't worry about your accent. पंजाबी एक्सेंट है, बंगाली है, मराठी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एक्सेंट का मतलब नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम इज अबाउट कि आप कहाँ पे स्ट्रेस दे रहे हो, कहाँ पे इंटोनेशन है, कहाँ पे राइज करना है, कहाँ पे फॉल करना है. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ आई गॉट 8 बैंड्स इन स्पीकिंग, सपोज मैंने ये बोला आई गॉट 8 बैंड्स इन स्पीकिंग, आई गॉट 8 बैंड्स इन स्पीकिंग, I got 8 bands in speaking. तो जहां पे आप स्ट्रेस देते हो उससे आपके सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है. ऑलवेज ट्राई टू थिंक. नाउ दीज आर द कनेक्टर्स व्हिच यू कैन यूज. पॉज टू थिंक. सो दीज आर द कनेक्टर्स यू मस्ट यूज. ये जरूर यूज करें व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग स्पीकिंग, बिकॉज ये बहुत नेचुरल है. That's an interesting question. Oh, I never thought about that, but yes, I would like to talk about this. Let me see if I can tell you more about it. Well, sir, that's a good point. अगर नहीं आ रहा तो that's a difficult question, but I'll try and answer it. Next is, some people say that this is the case, but however, I think इससे क्या होगा, आप natural दिखोगे. It will not be mechanical. मैकेनिकल का मतलब है कि रटे रटाए आंसर्स हैं, यू हैव crammed everything and that is why you are not getting the bands. Let me think about that for a minute. And the way you say it, that is more important. अगर आप उसको naturally नहीं बोल रहे हो, आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो let me think about that for a minute. If you are talking like this, so obviously you will get less bands because the examiner will come to know that you have learned it. Don't do that. Fillers जो है ऐसे use नहीं करने like this, like as you know, well, yeah. Don't use these kind of fillers. जो ऊपर fillers दिए हैं वो use करो. Extend your answers means, sure, Rajeshwari, I'll do that. Extend your answers means when you are talking, when you are explaining the answer, give the answer of why. आपको आंसर देना है with why also, because the examiner will not ask you again and again why. They are asking you, if they ask you why, what is the reason behind it? It means he wants you to speak over it. Otherwise, you will not get good bands. You are not giving them the opportunity, the chance to speak much. Okay, and he will not give you bands. Yes, when you will smile while talking, the pronunciation goes really good, and that is why you will get another effect on, another impression on the examiner, and you'll get higher bands as compared to the normal thing. And it should not be monotonous. Monotonous means it should not be a monotone. Monotone means it is not in the same tone. Uniform tone nahi hona chahiye. आपको rise and fall, rise and fall. There should be fluctuations while talking. Sometimes there is a stress, sometimes there is, you're emphasizing certain words, sometimes there is a flow of conversation, like you're moving from one point to the another with description. I give you an example. If you're talking about a cue card that you want to talk about your favorite person, so what will you do? You will say, I have come across many people in my life, but abhi what I did, but ke time pe I took a long pause, and I deliberately, I intentionally, मैंने क्या किया, I used but with the pause, so that examiner को, I want to grab his attention, I want to catch his attention कि वो मेरी तरफ सुने ध्यान से कि मैं अब कुछ बोलने वाली हूँ. But here I would like to talk about my mother, because she is the one person, because she is the one person. Now what I did, because कम कर दिया, she को ज़्यादा change कर दिया. आप सभी, what all of you do, आप क्या करते हो? You all talk, I would like to talk about my mother, she is like this, she is like that. In that case, you will get less bands. तो नहीं आएंगे. That is why you're lagging behind. Next is, these are the practice common topics about IELTS and speaking topics, actually: tourism and travel, education, transport, environment. Out of these categories, they are asking new question these days, that is environment related. They have asked trees or farming. Then they are talking about barbecue, that is about food. Then they're also talking about travel and tourism a lot. They're talking about conversations a lot. Always take care of the new things which they are asking, especially when the new thing comes up. As you watch my videos and you see that there are new questions being asked from them, so try to do that, try to cover those as well, right? These are the main tips which you must think. अगर आपको 8.5 bands तक जाना है तो आपको ये सारे के सारे cover करने हैं. If you want to go till 8.5 bands, these are must. Okay.